Did you know that 70% of Shopify store owners are failing to track their conversions effectively? Let's change that. In this video, you'll learn how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking with Shopify to boost your e-commerce success. This is an advanced yet simple trick that only a few know, and they are making 7 to 8 figures with this. Many Shopify store owners struggle to keep track of conversions with their Google Ads and Shopify. This is leading to missed opportunities and wasted ad spend. Maybe Google Ads says you had 30 conversions, your Shopify is showing you 50 conversions. This happens because relying on Google conversion tracking is not that accurate. Cookie policies, ad blockers, cross-device behaviors are leaving a huge gap in your data. And when you're running serious ad spend on Google Ads, that huge gap leads to inaccurate reporting. That's why you need a reliable server-side tracking solution like ClickFlare if you want to get to 7-8 figures level with your Shopify store. Let's walk step by step on how to set this up with ClickFlare. First, you need to go to your Shopify settings, and under the customer events, we will add a custom pixel. And that pixel will be the ClickFlare custom JavaScript code that will capture every single conversion, purchase, add to cart from your Shopify store and post it directly to your Google Ads conversion event. So add the custom pixel. You will name this ClickFlare. Check out the permissions if they are selected. Okay. And here you will paste that tracking script. Once you do so, hit save, but since I've already done it in this account, I'll hit discard. Now, those events that we want to track on our Shopify store, we needed to add as custom events and ClickFlare. So we head to settings, under custom conversions, and click add. For example, sale, and the parameter will be sale. The same you do for add to cart. And every other event that you want to track from your Shopify store. Once you do, you hit save and you'll see them down below. For example, I've added sale, product sale, and add to cart. Okay, the next important thing is you need to set up our conversion API integration. With that API integration, we will send events from ClickFlare to the Google Ad pixel. So we need to go to integrations. And the first one, conversion API, add the integration right here, select Google and sign in with your Google account. I already done this and I will show you how it looks. After you have connected your account, you need to select the Ads Manager account, the Ad Customer, and the conversion action which you have created in Google. So for example, I have the Shopify store conversion test. And you want to select the event type that you want to report to that conversion action. In this case, I have sale, product sale, and add to cart. That's it. Click next and save. Next up, you need to create a ClickFlare campaign. So in order to do that, you need 3 things. You need the lender, which is going to be your advertorial or pre-sale page. We need the offer page, which is going to be the page where the conversion will happen or the purchase will take place. You need the traffic source, where are you buying traffic from, and all those 3 together will be put in one ClickFlare campaign. So let's do that. Go to lenders, click new, name this Shopify pre-sale. You can name this whatever you want and enter your lender URL here. Hit save. Next up, create our offer. Enter the URL also here. Now, one crucial step you do not want to forget is adding the click ID to the offer URL. Why? Because when the conversion happens, we will attribute it to that click ID. So you can see which click ID made the conversion, where it came from, what device it was using, and many more. Hit save. Now create the traffic source. Search for Google. You already have the template pre-coded for you, so all you need to do is enter your traffic source name and hit save. I already done this step, so I will close the module. And let's go to campaigns, click new, select the traffic source here. So Google Ads Shopify. Give it a name. The cost model will be not tracked because we have cost integration and pull it automatically every 1 hour. Select the integration right here. So with this integration, we'll be able to get that accuracy up to 99% and send every single conversion from ClickFlare to your Google Ads event manager. Hit next. Here under the path destination, you need to select lenders and offers. So let's select our lender first. So Shopify per sale. Let's select the offer. Offer and hit save. That's it, guys. You have created your ClickFlare campaign, and you will grab this lender tracking URL and replace it with your Google Ad final URL. The moment you set up Google Ads conversion tracking with Shopify from ClickFlare, you will report every single purchase or conversion that is happening on your store back to ClickFlare, and from ClickFlare we will send to your Google Pixel through secure API connections. With more conversions being reported, your ad will perform better. It will be shown to people who are potentially buyers, and more buyers means more revenue. In summary, accurate conversion tracking is crucial for Shopify's success. With the right tool, the right setup, you'll be able to see significant results. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like and comment on the video. Also, if you want to see how ClickFlare can help you as a media buyer, as an affiliate marketer, as an e-commerce owner, you can schedule a free call. The link is in the description down below. Also, if you want to check out the platform by yourself, you can sign up for 14 days of free trial. The link will also be in the description. Thanks for watching.